Activity 3 is a fun drag-and-drop activity that helps you review the vocabulary in each unit. I'll click on the Activity 3 button in the unit about the citizenship test. I'll click on the link now. Use your mouse to drag these words into the correct places in these sentences. When you're finished, click on the check button to check your answers. In this example, you have 2 answers correct and 2 wrong. You can click on the Show Solution button to see the correct answers, or you can click on the Retry button to start again. I'll click on the Show Solution button. The correct answers to the 2 words that were dragged into the incorrect places are shown here. Now I'll click on the Retry button. When you are doing this learning activity, you can click on these information buttons to help you choose the correct answers. That's the end of this little tutorial on how to do a drag-and-drop learning activity. Good luck! That's the end of this tutorial. Use these buttons at the bottom of the page or the breadcrumbs at the top to navigate to different parts of this unit.